If you craft with cans, you need an efficient way to break them down. And in this video, we're going to show you two tools that can be a game changer. We introduced this single blade cutter 4 months ago, and while it does the job, we're going to pit it up against the two-bladed cutter we featured last month. The newly designed cutter has 2 supports and a collar to help stabilize any 12-ounce can. The question is, do the 2 blades make a difference as far as cutting time? We're about to find out. We'll start with the single blade cutter. We'll add the video link in the description along with the link to get one of these printed. We'll time our cuts and take an average of each cutter's performance to see which one truly cuts the fastest. We place the lift ring inside of the cutter, then insert the can. Next, we turn the blade advancing knob, and we're ready to cut. We twist carefully as shown to cut the bottom of this first can, which takes just over 6 seconds. Now for the top. On our first try, removing the top takes a bit longer. We come in at just over 9 seconds. Let's try again. This time it takes us just under 6 seconds. Not bad. Let's see how quickly the top comes off this time. And the top takes just over 9 seconds. Let's try one more time. After these last cuts, we'll take an average and see what the numbers say. This time, it takes us just over 6 seconds. The last cut comes in at just under 8 seconds. And the results? Our average time after cutting 3 cans with the single-bladed cutter are as follows. Our time for the bottom of the can comes in at 6.08 seconds. And removing the tops comes in at 8.67 seconds. Now we test the dual-bladed cutter. With 2 cutting blades, 2 support walls, and a collar, will this cutter outperform the single blade? We'll find out here shortly. Just like the single-bladed cutter, we'll link the video for this tool and also provide the link to have one custom printed for you. Now let's see how it performs. We twist the blade advancing knobs into cutting position and get ready to cut our first can. Just over 4 seconds. Now the top. Just over 7 seconds. Now soda can 2. Another 4-second cut. Not bad. And the top comes off right at 7 seconds. And now our third and final can. And just over 4 seconds for the bottom. And it's off at just over 7 seconds. Let's check our average times. The dual-bladed cutter was pretty consistent, and our time to cut the bottom of the can comes in at 4.27 seconds. Our time to remove the tops comes in at 7.12 seconds. While the single-blade cutter does the job, the dual-bladed cutter with its added features were able to shave off almost 2 seconds from removing the bottom of a can. It was also able to shave off well over a full second when removing the tops. Both of these tools are versatile and easy to use. The dual-bladed cutter provides a bit more stability and boasts slightly faster cutting times. We hope you found this video helpful, and we'll see you next time.